The most important element when thinking about using a high lift on our clients is to think about the underlying pigment that you're going to get from your client's hair. So let's give you an example. If we imagine that our client is a 7-0, a natural depth 7. Now if we look against here, you know that the underlying pigment is going to give you gold. So if you want to achieve a really beautiful, clear, clean blonde, then you're going to go with 10-1-9, because you need that little bit of that soft violet to counteract the gold. You're going to use 12%. You're going to do the mid-lengths and ends first. You're going to lift that up, and then you're going to mix up fresh for the roots. Guys, this is my next biggest hint. Always leave the IGORA Royal Highlifts on for the maximum time, the full development time, every single time. The reason for this is that the technology works in a way that the first 2/3 of the processing time is just lifting. There's no deposit of the pigments. So you must leave it the amount of time so you get the lift before the deposit of the pigments. Otherwise, you're not going to get those beautiful neutralizing or fashion shades.